What's up, investors?
Today is March 13th, 2025, and the stock market is reacting to major economic and geopolitical moves. The Dow, S&P 500, and Nasdaq are all in the red as new tariff threats, inflation data, and earnings reports shake up the markets. Let's break it all down so you know how to position yourself today. The Dow Jones is down 0.39% at $412.33. The S&P 500 is down 0.45% at $556, and the Nasdaq 100 is taking the biggest hit, down 0.74% at $473.40. All three major indexes are slipping today, but what's really driving this drop? The biggest headline shaking the market is President Trump's new tariff threats. He's now pushing for a 200% tariff on European wines and spirits, triggering fresh trade war fears. Investors are pulling back from equities as uncertainty grows over international trade. If these tariffs move forward, expect volatility in international stocks and commodities. The next big factor is inflation. The latest Producer Price Index report shows that wholesale prices didn't increase in February. This signals that inflation could be cooling, which is generally good news for the market. But the big question is whether the Federal Reserve will pause rate hikes or keep tightening. Investors are watching closely, as any signal from the Fed could send markets swinging in either direction. On the earnings front, Adobe just took a major hit, dropping nearly 8% after issuing a weaker-than-expected outlook. Even though their earnings were strong, Wall Street didn't like their forward guidance. This is part of a broader trend where tech stocks, especially high-valuation names, are under pressure. So, what's the play? If you're bullish, a cooling inflation report could be a sign that the Fed might pause rate hikes, which is positive for tech and growth stocks. Watch for rebounds in beaten-down sectors. But if you're more cautious, the tariff situation could bring more downside, especially for international stocks. If volatility picks up, hedging with inverse ETFs or increasing cash positions might be the smarter move. What do you think? Are we setting up for a bounce, or is this the start of a bigger pullback? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for real-time market updates.